I am Dust King and I grow stronger daily.
We will clean everything and stop you today. Wow, Mom, the living room looks really messy, and I think I even see tiny dust creatures dancing near the table.
Yes, Tommy, we will start a big cleaning mission together. Take the feather duster and dust off the table.
Okay, Mom, I see gray dust flying everywhere.
Stand carefully and clean the dusty kitchen countertops now.
I am wiping slowly until the surface becomes shiny.
That's it, keep going. You're doing great.
Almost done, Mom.
Hello, friends. I can help sweep the dusty floor.
Wow, Mom, the broom is talking and floating.
Indeed I am.
Hold the broom firmly and sweep toward the corner.
I am sweeping fast while dust creatures run away.
Use the dustpan now and collect the dusty pile.
I'm scooping dust carefully into the dustpan. Turn me on, I will suck up hidden dust. This funny vacuum sounds loud but cleans quickly.
Push the vacuum slowly across the soft carpet.
I am riding the vacuum like a tiny car.
Dunk the mop into the bucket of clean water. Squeeze the mop. Mop the kitchen floor.
I see a sparkling trail following my movements.
That's right, keep going.
Oh no, Mom, I spilled juice on the floor.
Quickly mop up the spill before someone slips. Use the sponge and paper towel to clean. I am wiping the counter until it shines again.
I love messy kitchens with leftover food and paper.
Mom, look, a trash monster popped from the bin.
Carry the trash outside and put it away.
I feel strong walking with this heavy bag.
Here we go. Wow, it's sparkling. Replace the trash can bag with a clean one. I am putting the new bag inside carefully. Now wash your hands with soap and water.
Wow, Mom, the kitchen looks clean and sparkling now.
Yes, Tommy, cleaning makes our home bright again. Let us return and clean the living room carpet.
I am ready because cleaning feels like adventure. The carpet still feels dusty under my feet.
Use the vacuum slowly and clean every corner.
My strong power will suck up dusty particles. I guide the vacuum and watch clean lines appear.
Use the feather duster to clean the shelves.
I am dancing while dusting books and decorations. The countertop shines so brightly like magical mirrors.
You cleaned carefully and did an excellent job. Mop the hallway floor slowly because it is wet.
I slide carefully like surfing on shiny water. Mom, big dusty shadow moves near ceiling.
Stay close, Tommy. Something strange is forming there.
I am Dust King and I grow stronger daily.
We will clean everything and stop you today.
Sweep the floor in circles and push dust back.
I sweep strongly while the Dust King retreats slowly.
Hold the sponge like shield against dusty wind.
I hide behind sponge while dirt cannot reach.
Grab your cleaning tools quickly and start working. I hold the mop like a brave hero. Wipe the counter again and create sparkling light.
The shining glow makes Dust King weaker now. I spin fast and lift dust into the air. I guide the broom while Monster feels dizzy. Mega Suction pulls Dust King into tiny particles. I cheer loudly because cleaning power finally wins.
I am shrinking because this house becomes clean.
Give the floor one final shining mop splash. I watch the Dust King vanish like gray mist. Wow, the whole house sparkles like magical palace.
Working together made every room bright and safe.
Look, the broom and vacuum march like parade. They helped us and deserve proper care always. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.